Good morning. So this is the project of implementation stress recognition using ECG signal. First we are going to select any one of the ECG database files. This ECG database file which we downloaded from PhysioNet, stress recognition from automobile driver. So for that application they are having a ECG signal which having both normal as well as the stress data. From that we are collecting 8 mat files. So 8 ECG data values we are collecting. For that 8 values we are performing the stress recognition using SPM algorithm. So before we are going to perform the classification by using SPM, we need to extract the features from the given ECG signal. So features means there are a number of features will be there. So here we are going to extract the time domain feature as well as frequency domain features. Okay, so before we need to perform the extraction, the first step is that pre-processing. So pre-processing means first we are performing the band pass filtering. So band pass filter frequency will assign here low pass and high pass filter, and after that we are assigning the band pass filter function. Then we are having the loading process of the selected mat file of ECG signal. So this is the original ECG signal. For this signal we are performing the filtering. So filtered signal will be shown in the second figure. So this is the selected first one input ECG signal, and after that we are performing the band pass filtering. So band pass filtered signal will having this band, and after that we are having the standardization. So standardization is nothing but like normalization to make all the signals, because different databases and different users will having the different amplitude. So to make all the amplitudes within the particular range, that is called as a normalization. So here we are call it as the standardization by performing the mean of signal, and after that we are calculating the standardization of the signal. So this is the third figure. So once the pre-processing is completed, next we are going to extract the features from the given image. So this feature extraction, whatever the feature extraction we are going to perform, first thing in the ECG we need to perform the QRS detection. So that QRS detection points will be performed by using a multi QRS detection method, and after that we are extracting the HRV features. So what are the features we are going to extract means that will be mentioned when you open the TD and FD function. You can have what are the features we are considering here. So SDANN, SDANN, these are the features we are considering in the so time domain features as well as the frequency domain features. So these are the two domain features we are going to consider, and after we are extracting the features from this TD-FD function, this HRV will be like structure. So we are converting that structure into array. So structure is nothing but this one. So every details will be assigned with structure. So this one will separate a structure with a separate variable name MRR. So this will be converted into variable, just only extracting this value alone, that is called as a structure to array. So once the TD-FD functions are extracted, in some cases some of the values will be not a number. It depends upon the ECG signal. So if there was any not a number variables, that will be assigned as 0.1 minimum value, the lowest value, and if it is any infinitive, that will be assigned with the lowest value. And also is there any value will equal to 0 means that also will assign 0.001, any of the 0 value, any of the value which is assigned in the feature extraction part. So after we are extracting all the features of ECG signal, we are performing the classification. So classification here we are considering two cases. So first cases will having the normal person, second cases we are having the stress person. So these are the two category we are having. So this is the label, this one will called as the target label, and this is the feature vectors. So like ECG feature extractions will be performed for all the 8 data, that is the X-train SPM, and after we are having the SPM model defining, we are having the prediction function. So these are the trained features for this predicted ECG signal. What is the file which you are given as an input? For that ECG signal we are extracting the features. These features will be assigned into the SPM prediction model and getting the label out. If the label is equal to 1, that is called as a stress recognition. If it is equal to 2, that is a normal recognition. So these are the functions which we implemented for our results, and final result will be displayed in the figure. So the corresponding ECG signal will be detected as stress and also displayed as a message box itself. Okay, thank you.